What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to set up a pile limit on Photon. Now to do this, the process is really simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. For example, here I have selected this coin. On the right side you can see two options, buy and sell. And on buy you can see this buy dip option. We'll go and click on it. Here we'll select the wallet that have Solana in it. For example, this is my wallet. I'll just go and select it. And below then you can see the amount we want to buy after executing our limit order. Now here we have three available options. The first one is market drop by percentage. Now we will use this if we have a target market cap in mind that you want to buy in at. You'll see that the market cap and the price numbers here are also updating in real time, and we can just type in the percentage. The second one is when we have an exact market cap in our mind. This will trigger the order the moment when the market cap is equal or less than your stated number. You can simply type in the value right here. And the third one is target line. What we can do is we can visually select the target on the screen, allowing you to execute different kind of strategies. For example, just to do it, we can simply drag this bar right here to visually select our target. For example, here. And what we can do is we can simply click on this create order and our order will be created. Now to check our placed limit order, what we can do is we can head over to this section, select limit orders, and your order will be displayed right here. Well, that's how you can do it. I hope you liked the video. Do consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.